What's up, guys? I'm Mike,
And this is the Great Outside.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Today, I am doing another on-trail review. Actually, we're off-trail in the woods, but that's not what this is about. So this is about this little table right here. And, you know, I got mixed feelings about it, really. Cascade Wild, Cascade Wild ultralight folding table. That's it right there. It's not real big. Yeah, I've got my cell phone right here so you can see how big it is. But the cool part is it only weighs a couple ounces. It's 2.2 ounces, and it does this. It's got snaps right there, and fold it up in half like this. That thing is pretty cheap. It's quite a bit under $20, and it's an American-made company. It says made in Oregon, CascadeWild.com. The weight limit is 10 pounds, it says. I haven't put 10 pounds on it, but I've put about 4. You know, it's a little flimsy, but if you put everything on the corners, like this area, you can hold something heavy. Like this is 32-ounce stainless steel coffee pot, and it's almost full right now. See? And yeah, so it's not bad. This is my first time trying it. You know, my initial thoughts is it's made out of this corrugated plastic. I don't know if you can see that. You know, really light, but it's also really thin. So you can see just on this one backpacking trip, this is like day 3 of using this thing. It's got a lot of folds. It's starting to, you know, get bent up just from being flat and shoving it in your pack. I put in my dog backpack yesterday. It is invaluable to have a nice little place to sit things. You know, when I'm hammock camping and I don't have a chair, I don't know if I would bother bringing this. But right now I have a chair. And this is not about the chair, but this is about the table. So check this out. So got a full coffee there, battery charger and phone, and I've just been looking at my map like that. That's a couple pounds right there. It's not bad, you know, it's fairly stable. I went ahead and put a handkerchief over top of it and just made a nice little tabletop. But yeah, this is a great little product if you're really into lightweight backpacking, but you want a few, I guess you could say, luxury items. But it's invaluable to have something to cook on, and you can cook on this. I don't know how hot you can get it before it'll start to melt. You know, you can definitely cook on it. You can eat on it. That's the great thing, is eating on it, having something flat right here where I can eat. That's what I want. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Just go outside. It's great. You won't regret it. See ya.